Hey, this is Kyle the Nutritionist, and I'm tired of salads being made fun of and teased for being unsatisfying. Okay, lettuce, okay, fine, doesn't have, a lot of satiety to it, but protein, veggies, like a pear, they've got some fruit, some fiber there, and some fiber in that bread, and some fat. It's a balanced meal. It's got carbs, protein, fat. It's going to be satisfying. How much lettuce should we use? Boom, the whole thing. You want to get right after it. I chopped up some protein, some chicken breast, and some orange peppers. The protein especially is going to make it satisfying, and the peppers give us more nutrition. That's too low in carbohydrates here. Let's add some pear. I love pears. It complements really well. Let's look at the fat in this dressing, though. Okay, now our chicken breast is going to have a few grams of fat. And let's see, 2 tablespoons is a serving. That gives us some fat there. Now you want your meals to be roughly between like 15 and 40 grams of fat. Depends on the person. When you are watching what you eat, sometimes you have to measure your dressing portion or your fat portion. Don't get cocky. A little bit of fat goes a long way. We're not done yet. It's still a little bit low in carbohydrates, okay? We are gonna bring in some bread, like croutons, The first guy that ever ate a salad, he's probably like, I need a little bit more. I'm gonna get some croutons. Check out this bread, 5 grams of protein per slice. Awesome. Only 2 grams of fiber, but it's better than white bread. You cannot tell me that this salad is not satisfying. I have 4 cups of leafy greens and half an orange pepper, a pear, a slice of bread, and of course a fist of lean protein. This salad is just a perfect portion, and it's delicious, and it's easy to control the nutrition. It's fast, it's easy. I love it.